How am I to bear this separation? Give me just a little hope to cling to. Fan the flames of my imagination so that I can dream till we meet again. Give me a kiss to build a dream on, and my imagination will thrive upon a kiss. Sweetheart, I ask no more than this, a kiss to build a dream on. Give me a kiss before you leave me, and my imagination will feed my hungry heart. Leave me one thing before we part, a kiss to build a dream on. When I'm all alone with my fancies, I'll be with you, weaving romances, making believe they're true. Give me your lips for just a moment, and my imagination will make the moment live. Give me alone what you can give, a kiss to build a dream on. Sweetheart, I ask no more than this, a kiss to build a dream on. What a lovely song. It was written in 1935 and really didn't become famous until early 50s. It was used in a movie called The Strip, I think, with Mickey Rooney, and I can't think of the gal who sang it in the movie. It was written, I'll have it in my notes on the YouTube file, but Oscar Hammerstein II was one of the co-writers, and it actually had a different title, I believe. And when they discovered it, they renamed it. That being said, the only version I found anywhere at all, with someone singing this, was with a great female jazz singer called Wesla Whitfield, I believe her name was. So if you look up this song, A Kiss to Build a Dream On, and Wesla, you'll find it, W-E-S-L-A, I believe that's how you spell her name. She passed away a year ago. And there really are no difficult chords in this song. C diminished. The big kind of goofy, lazy thing that I do in this song to make the song play is I just do a little slide around things. So I go from a G to a G diminished. So give me a kiss to build a dream on. All I did was pick up a finger, drop down to a G diminished, and go back up to the G. And then, and my imagination to a D7, however you make a D7. It won't work with the Hawaiian D7. You got to make the barred style D7. And then all I do is slide it down to a D flat 7. Upon that kiss, sweetheart, I ask no more than this, a kiss to build a dream on. Here comes a D7 for a turnaround. Give me a kiss before you leave me, and my imagination will feed my hungry heart. Leave me one thing before we part, a kiss to build a dream on. To a G7 because we're making a transition. And the next chord coming up is a C minor 7, which is very simply barred at the 3rd fret. And the next chord is a D minor 7, which is simply barred at the 5th fret. And you could make this down here if you wanted to, but it sounds better at the 5th fret for this particular song. And then it goes back down to a C minor 7, and then it's going to be a D minor, and this is going to be a new song, and you can play the D minor here if you want to. But if you go from here back up to here, and then I use my middle, no, I guess I actually use my middle finger for the top string 7th fret. So it's like an A minor shape. You know how you make your A minor right there? Well, we're going to use this finger because we're going to bar, so we're going to slide it up, add the bar, up to the 5th fret, so that we're barring at the 5th and using that finger on the 4th string, 7th fret. That's a D minor. So we'll just go through this little bridge here real slow, and it goes, when I'm alone with my fancies, easy chord, I'll be with D minor up here, you, back to a C minor 7, weaving romances, and our melody line goes down, romances, so we're going to go to a B flat down here, romances, making sure they come true. So we got an A7, and I played a second position A7, which is 2-4-3-4, but you can play that the A7 also. So just to do that little bridge again, it goes when I'm alone with my fancies, I'll be with you, weaving romances, making believe they're true. Right back up to the G. Give me your love for just a moment. And that's all we're going to do right now. You can use this as a framework for fun. Check it out, A Kiss to Build a Dream On. And this is your framework for fun, and you can get the song sheet at UkesterBrown.com. Have a great day. Have a lot of fun with the song. Remember, you can be a little lazy.